Hey guys, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I have a brand new product for you that I thought you might be interested in seeing. It is from Clinique. It's called Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Serum. And this product was gifted to me by Clinique, and I want to thank them for doing that. And it has a pump. You can see I've been using it, a pump on it. And what intrigued me about this is they say that this product is as effective as a laser when it comes to helping to repair, resurface, replump your skin, and make the fine lines and wrinkles on your face look more improved. I'll show you the consistency of this. This is formulated with 1% retinoid, and I put this on clean, dry skin in the AM and the PM. And that retinoid is going to help to smooth out your skin, also help with fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains one of my favorite ingredients, hyaluronic acid. That's great for hydration and helping to plump your skin. I normally use 2 pumps of this, one on one side of my face and then one on the other. And it also contains 9.5% peptides. That helps to boost your natural collagen. This feels really very nice going on. It's a really lightweight feeling serum, but it's not greasy. It absorbs really quickly into my skin. And it makes your skin really look beautiful. But you can really see how the serum has already absorbed into my skin, leaves my skin looking hydrated and healthy and plump, a little bit more radiant, kind of takes away that dullness. I really liked the ingredients in this. So as good as a laser when it comes to reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and helping to smooth them out. I will leave all the information for this Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Serum down in my description box. Take care, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing this drive-by review. Bye-bye from Marla.